Welcome to RPI Industries RAJKOT. Here, we introduce Ultraviolet Air Purifier. We are certified by World Health Organization for manufacturing such type of products. This product is developed as per the IEC technical standards. We are certified and authorized by World Health Organization. It is working on ultraviolet type C, the wavelength of 200 nanometer to 280 nanometer. It is mostly used in different places like home, offices, shops, classrooms, etc. This device is useful to kill all types of viruses and bacteria in the air. It purifies the air and makes your environment happy and healthier. We are proudly announcing that it is made in India product. It is compact and attractive in size and design. Its height is 15 inches approximately. Length and width is 3 inches approximately. It has 2 fans connected on top and bottom of it. Top fan is used for inlet of air. The bottom fan is used for the outlet of air. Ultraviolet tube is inside it. It is working on 230 volt AC supply. Customization is possible with size and color. Feel free to inquire for such type of products. Please share, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.